Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily request for a name change on Coursera. So in coursera.org, just make sure that you have logged into your account and just click on this profile icon, then click on settings. So if you have already changed your name once on Coursera, this option will be available. Then from here, we can easily just click this button. And from here, just enter the new name that you want to use on Coursera. Then once done, just click on submit. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can easily request a name change on Coursera. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!